Nowadays, missing the class also, it doesn't matter in science. They can check in YouTube what is what discussed, right? That is okay. Good afternoon, everybody. You can see here acid rain, how acid rain is formed. When the fossil fuel burns, when the wood burns, then the gases like sulfur dioxide, NOx means oxides of nitrogen. I gave three examples of oxides of nitrogen. Nitric oxide NO, nitrous dioxide NO2, and nitrous oxide N2O, laughing gas. When they reach in atmosphere, they react with water and they form nitric acid. Sulfur dioxide forms sulfuric acid. Carbon dioxide forms carbonic acid. Acids are soluble in water, so they dissolve in rainwater and they fall together with it. That condition is called acid rain, right? So acid rain has got many demerits we have already mentioned, and our life will be in danger because of acid rain as well. Number of factories are increasing, and number of fossil fuel vehicles are also increasing. Now you are in grade 10. After passing grade 10, then your demand will be there to get one lovely bike, right? And you don't prefer that electric bike. Which bike you prefer? Your bike?
Sir, bullet.
Bullet. Your bullet. Bullet. No idea. Viveki? Viveki, scooter is okay. Bike not suitable. Ritika? Scooter. Luniva? Which one? Scooter. Sarnia? Scooter. Scooter. Which bike? Electric or non-electric? Non-electric. Bike is there. Ramsal? RX 100. How much does it cost?
Second hand, like
No, first hand talk na. Second hand. First hand.
class 10.
And you Lonish? Bike. Meloni 200. Beloni, what is that? Melini. Oh, Benelli. I think it's not less than 8-9 lakh rupees. Oh, means minimum 10 lakh rupees.
Yes.
Mean double of our Siddhartha sir. And Niradan ji? Ducati. How much does it cost? More than 10 lakh rupees. And which one? And anyway, so listen, you are talking about bullet or scooter, whatever you say, you are also going to increase the number of or amount of the carbon dioxide, and acid rain will increase. Thank God, the technique of manufacturing the devices which run with the help of battery also is there. So within few years, their number will be high and fossil fuel vehicles will be low. Right, and one day there won't be fossil fuel vehicles. Anyway, then acid rain will be really controlled at that time only, not now. So impacts of acid rain also discussed, and so it's here these things. So today the presentator, who is presentator? Sonis and Nirajan's son? First Sonis, right now Sonis, right? Your turn, Sonis? In next bell, Nirajan. And after Nirajan, which son is there? After Nirajan? Viveki, when is your turn? Eh? Have you got duty or not? Next day, okay. If you completed, then I will give to prepare the slides and be ready. Eh? So, control measures of acid rain. Then next one is greenhouse and greenhouse effects. Then afterwards, what is he going to discuss? Causes or sources of greenhouse gases GHGs and disadvantages of over greenhouse effect. Then I think last one, control measures of global warming, right? Okay. So without wasting time, let's welcome on the stage. Slide now. What is this? It's very bad, no? Yeah. You are present today. You are present yesterday also. Then you have to request to others. Then there will be presentation. Okay, then let's welcome Nirajan. After Nirajan, whose presentation is there, will be seen. Come here. One is MCQ for you, 1 and 2 whole. Nirajan, 3. 3A to F. Sonish, G to L. Nirajan, and 5. A to F. Sonish, G to M, Nirajan. In that way, the work is given. These diagrammatic questions will be discussed inside the class, right? Okay. So, attentiveness, activeness, it matters. If we start, Viveki, will you come in here? I think you are seeing the back portion of the Sonish, the Saurash's head, then how can you come this side? Your partner is absent today also. All of a sudden she suffered from fever, right? And you are missing somebody. Okay. She is missing somebody. Okay. Children, now what is the reason? I am confused. Why is that happening like this?
Net problem.
Now, why net is problem every time in this class? Because other teachers, they don't share, they don't know. They just use only that much, right? Okay. Metal is coming here. Yeah, next student came why? Nirajan has a hack or what? This Nirajan has no. It has gone over there. How fast? Good. Now we are going to discuss about control measures of acid rain. There is one saying: if there is a will, there is a way. If there is a problem, there is a solution. Definitely. Every problem has got solution. Some problem solutions are quite easier one. Some problem solutions are a bit complicated one. So, acid rain, it is a problem. It is the burning issue, main problem of this scenario. Every country is suffering from acid rain, right? Because there is no any country without the devices which run with the help of petrol, diesel, gases, etc. or aviation fuel. See, the airplanes, they consume more and more fossil fuel. You know, the capacity, the tank's capacity of one airplane is near about 50,000 liters. 50,000 liters, see. So, when it flies from one place to another, huge amount of fuel burns on it, and it causes acid rain. Because it flies in very high altitude, and the gases do not go very up also. There only they will mix with water and acid in this case. Okay, so what are the different control measures? So it became a bit this one. First one, let's say, the most effective solution is to reduce air pollution. What do you do? Reduce air pollution. Air gets polluted by mixing different things with it. Smoke coming out from vehicles, smoke coming out from kitchen. In kitchen also smoke is produced. Still in village people they use firewood. They use dung cakes also.
Yes.
Dung cakes, wheat has, right? Not only that, they use plant residues like paral. Do they use paral or next one jute? The stem of jute also used for cooking foods, and it produces smoke, right? So if the air pollution is reduced, then acid rain also can be controlled. Polluted air contains all those harmful gases. That's why it is happening. Next one is the use of clean energy sources like sulfur-free coal and natural gases should be promoted. Please come inside. Hello. You became okay? Okay, please go. What do you want? Coal and natural gas, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the next one? Alternative sources of energy. Alternative source of energy means those sources of energy which can be used instead of coal and petroleum. To minimize the use of coal and petroleum, we use alternate sources of energy. What are the alternate sources of energy? Nuclear power, hydropower, wind energy, geothermal energy, solar energy. They must be emphasized. They are eco-friendly because they don't produce smoke, no sulfur oxide, dioxide, no NOx, no oxides of nitrogen. And the effects of acid rain are reduced by liming. Means powder limestone or lime water is added to water and soil to neutralize acid. Lime. Lime water is CaOH2.
Yes.
Lime water is a base. Lime water is a base. When base reacts with acid, then what does it give? Salt and water. So, acid effect is reduced or not? So, sometimes you may suffer from acidity, hyperacidity. To reduce that hyperacidity, we have to eat antacid. Antacid means a kind of base. That base reacts with acid, neutralization reaction takes place. Here also, same thing. Base should be added. And next thing, in the chimneys of industries, scrubbers should be fitted. What do? They filter the smoke and reduce production of sulfur dioxide by how much percent? 90 to 95%. They just filter sulfur. They filter sulfur. Right? So these are the different ways. Just we have to remember. So now next one, let's discuss here greenhouse and greenhouse effect. Greenhouse. First of all, we have to know what is greenhouse. What is greenhouse? The house whose color is greenhouse. Very simple, isn't it? But it's not like that. So, actually, greenhouse is a house which is made up of either glass or plastic walls. Mainly, what is there? Wall of glass or plastic. They say the tomato is produced in Tonella or cauliflower is produced in Tonella. Do they say or not?
Yes.
Tonella means that is also a kind of greenhouse. Its roof is made up of plastic. Wall is also, side also made up of plastic. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why is it used? Especially, it is used to trap more amount of heat. Like in winter season, summer vegetables can be grown. In winter season also, summer vegetables can be grown. Because inside that room or that house or place, there is a higher temperature or lower temperature? Higher temperature. So, they can grow well. Actually, the roof, it is made slightly slanted. Why? To allow the maximum amount of solar energy. If slanted, more energy solar enters and more heat can be trapped. If it's straight, horizontal, then it is slanted. Right? Next thing, our earth also acts as a greenhouse. our earth also acts as a greenhouse. Why or how? Suppose this is earth. What is this? Earth. And the earth is surrounded by atmosphere. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this is sun. From sun, heat radiation, do they come here on earth?
Yes, sir.
When they strike,
Then the
they
atmosphere, yeah.
return back. Do they return or not?
Yes, sir.
Then again, those reflected rays are blocked by
Atmosphere.
atmosphere. Then the temperature of the earth remains more or less constant. We have read about the moon. The daytime temperature of the moon is
Yes, sir.
180 degrees centigrade. During day, temperature is 180. During night,
Degrees, sir. Two.
temperature is minus 180. Daytime, excessively high.
Night.
Night time, excessively low. Why? Very excessive high and low. Because
There is
of
no presence of atmosphere.
there is no atmosphere, then it cannot be trapped.
Yes.
Whatever heat comes, the land gains the temperature fast and fast and fast. Night time loses. Okay, remember. Next thing, in desert also, daytime temperature is very
High.
high, night time temperature is very low. But in Kathmandu or in other places, you can notice the maximum temperature and minimum temperature is not so much different, right? But in desert, there is like that. Daytime temperature, let's say 45, 50, 60 degrees centigrade. Night time temperature -2, -3, -5 degrees centigrade. But there is no ice. Because in desert there is no water. If no water, then how will there be ice, right? There is scanty rainfall, sometimes rainfall, then how to get their ice, right? Okay. So our sun also means earth also acts as
Greenhouse.
greenhouse. Yeah. Earth as a natural greenhouse. It is natural
Greenhouse.
greenhouse. We have to be very careful. Air, the layer of air is very much useful to us. It is providing us better environment for living, right? But if we pollute it, if we damage it, if we decrease the quality of it, then one time what will happen? Our life also will come in danger. We'll be in danger zone. And afterwards, human beings also will extinct. We have heard about dinosaurs. Yes or no? But here, human beings also, condition will come similar. Right? Okay. Now next thing. Greenhouse is a house which is made up of either glass or plastics, whose roof is slanted one. Right? And it can manage the controlled temperature environment for growth of plants. Plants can grow easily inside greenhouse in comparison to outside. Okay. Now greenhouse effect is there. What is there?
Greenhouse effect.
What is greenhouse effect? One definition, just you can mark here.
And
Increase in the percentage of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere would cause the average temperature to increase worldwide. This is called greenhouse effect, we say. Or due to presence of some gases in the atmosphere, heat is trapped and temperature
increase.
increases. This phenomenon is called
Greenhouse.
greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect means the phenomenon due to which Earth's temperature increases by trapping heat.
Yes.
The heat is reflected by Earth's surface. And here is there greenhouse gases. What is mentioned here?
Greenhouse. Yes.
What is the greenhouse gases? Those gases which trap the heat, which form a layer and trap the heat, they are called greenhouse gases. Main greenhouse gases are, what are they? Carbon dioxide. Main gas is carbon dioxide. What is next one? methane. Okay, these are the gases which trap the heat and cause greenhouse effect. Now, here are some causes or sources of greenhouse effect. How many causes or sources are given? What is the first one?
Burning fossil fuels.
Burning
like
fossil
coal,
fuel like coal, petroleum, etc. Because of that, what are formed?
CO2,
Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon, etc. Mainly this one, the carbon dioxide. Second cause of greenhouse
effect.
formation of greenhouse gas is deforestation.
Yes.
When there is deforestation, amount of carbon dioxide increases. Do you agree?
Yes.
When the number of plants decrease, amount of carbon dioxide increases.
Yes.
Because plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis.
Yes.
Yeah, they release oxygen as well. But if no plants, then what will happen? Few amount of carbon dioxide is consumed and amount of carbon dioxide increases.
Yes.
What is the third one? Nitrous oxide or laughing gas and other oxides of nitrogen are the byproducts of fertilizer production and its use. The factories, the industries which produce